Welcome back everyone. In the last video, we successfully downloaded and set up VS Code, and we also understood what VS Code is and why we use it. And now comes the most exciting part. Today we are going to write our first HTML code. We will create our very first web page using HTML. Along with that, we will also understand the basic structure of an HTML file. I will explain everything step by step in the simplest way possible so that even if you are a beginner, you can understand it. Now open VS Code. Click on File. Click on Open Folder. Here we will create our folder named HTML tutorial. Select the folder and click Select Folder. This folder will contain all your project files. Now let's create our HTML file. Inside this folder, right click on New File. Now name the file index.html. Remember this carefully, every HTML file must end with .html. This extension tells the computer and browser that this is an HTML file. Now I will show a very useful shortcut. Just type exclamation mark and press enter. VS Code will automatically generate the basic structure for you. This saves time and prevents mistakes. Now let's understand the HTML structure in a very simple way. Don't worry, this is easier than it looks. Think of an HTML file like a human body. Every part has a specific role. Let's start with this line, doctype HTML, document type declaration. This line tells the browser that this is an HTML5 document. It helps the browser display the page correctly. Now move forward. Next one is HTML tag. This is the main container of the web page. Everything goes inside this tag. Just like a box contains all items, the HTML tag contains the whole web page. And the next one is head tag. The head tag contains information about the web page. This information is not visible on the web page. It is used by the browser. Title, meta information, links to CSS. After that, the title. This is called opening tag and this is called closing tag. Whatever we write between these opening and closing tags will appear on the browser tab. It does not appear inside the web page. It helps users identify the web page. Now come to the body tag. This body tag contains everything you see on the web page. For example, headings, text, images, buttons, links. Whatever you write inside the body tag will be visible on the screen. Now let's type hello world here. This heading will appear on the web page because it is inside the body tag. Now, this is the complete program of Hello World. You just created your first real web page. Now you might be wondering what are these things like HTML tag, body tag, H1 tag. These are called HTML tags. Tags tells the browser what type of content it is. For example, H1 means heading, body means web page content, and title means tab title. If you don't understand tags completely right now, don't worry, we will study HTML tags in detail in upcoming videos. Now let's run this file. In the previous video, I asked you to install an extension called Live Server. If you haven't installed this extension yet, go to the extension tab. Here is the extension tab. Search for Live Server and click on Install. Live Server helps us run our HTML file easily and see the changes instantly in the browser. I also asked you to install another extension called Auto Rename Tag. Again, search for Auto Rename Tag and click Install. This extension automatically renames the closing tag when you change the opening tag, which helps prevent mistakes. This extension makes development easier and faster. And if these extensions are disabled, you can enable them from here. After installing and enabling these extensions, restart VS Code. Now let's go back to our HTML file and run it live. If you have installed and enabled the Live Server extension, you will see a Go Live option. At the bottom of right corner of the screen. Click on it. Your browser will open automatically. And now you can see your first web page. This web page is created using HTML. Well done, you have successfully created your first web page. Now when I click on go live, you can see that the browser opens automatically, and look at the address bar here. It says something like 127.0.0 or localhost colon 5500. This is called localhost. Now you might be wondering, what is localhost? In simple words, localhost means your own computer. It is a local server running on your system. This means the website is not on the internet. It is running only on your computer. Only you can see it, other people cannot access it. This number is the IP address of your own computer. It always points back to your own system. So both localhost and this IP address mean the same thing, your own computer. Live server creates a small local server on your computer and it shows your HTML file through localhost. That's why whenever you save your file, the browser updates automatically. Now you can see that the title is currently document. Let's change it. Go back to VS Code and change the title from document to my first web page. Now save the file and go back to the browser. You can see that the title has changed. Your browser tab is now showing my first web page. Now let's make changes inside the body tag. Anything written inside the body tag will be displayed on the web page. Let's try it. We will write here hello world 2. Now look at the browser. You can see that the second heading is also displayed. This is how HTML works. Always remember, HTML creates the structure of the website, CSS makes it beautiful, JavaScript makes it interactive. HTML is the first and most important step. So today we learned how to create an HTML file and about the structure. This is our first step into web development, so let's wrap up here. In the next video, we will learn about HTML tags in detail like headings, paragraph, images and links. If this video helped you, like this video, subscribe to the channel and comment HTML below. See you in the next video. Keep learning and keep growing.